Hello people, this is just, I'm making a video because I can't go live at the moment. Ben's trying to sort it out for me, but every time I try to go live it just says scheduled live. So at the moment I can't go live and I'm sulking and I don't know enough about it to sort it out. So anyway, today I'm going to go and sort out the transom because my engine that went bang also cracked the transom on the boat, which is the bit that holds the engine. So here we go. Right, so this piece here, it actually cracked down that corner, so that when the engine was vibrating I could actually feel the vibration through the floor of the boat. So basically what I've done is I've put an 18mm marine ply board across, right the way across and all the way down, then fiberglassed it in and then gel coated it. So I'm left with that. Now that's where the transom used to stop there, but I've raised it up to give me a bit more freeboard to try and help strengthen that. What I'm actually doing is fabricating a plate out of stainless steel. So that's sort of the shape of the transom. So it will go on, that bit will be inside the boat, so it'll tuck under the original transom board, go up to the new height. That's the old height of the transom board. Then this bit here is the extension to the transom board, and then I'm gonna bend it here using box section and a workmate, because obviously I haven't got all the tools to do that much fabrication. So in theory this will sit on there like that. If you can see that very well. And then I'll bend it again here to go straight down. Then it will consequently look like that to give it more strength to the back of the boat. So in fact what I'm trying to do is encapsulate the original transom and the transom block into the new transom and the new transom block. So I've got some banging and smashing to do, so you ain't going to want to watch that, I'm sure. The rest of the boat to-do list is I've put an automatic bilge pump in. I've got, as you can see, I'm totally disorganised, lumps of metal everywhere. I've got the hose to put on, and the unit that actually goes through the side of the hull. So I've got to drill the hole, fit that through the side of the hull, then connect the hose to the automatic pump, which I have set down there in the bilge. I've got a manual bilge pump, but this is purely for rainwater. If I leave the boat in the marina and it pours down with rain, it's consequently a big bucket. So I want the automatic bilge pump to actually get rid of all the water. But that's what I'm up to today. As I say again, I apologise, I can't go live. Ben's going to try and sort it out for me this afternoon. He tried yesterday, and bless him, it worked for about, I don't know, well, I tried it and it worked. Today, tried it again, it don't work. So, I don't really know what's going on. Bless him, he's out Christmas shopping at the moment. And Reese, who came up and set it up for me before, the dyslexic angler, he's got COVID, bless him, so he's grounded for 10 days. So he can't come and help me. And I don't know of anyone else that knows anything about streaming live on YouTube. So I'm down to videos, I'm afraid. For the moment, I can't wait to get out of my boat. I'm obviously still trying to get some pennies together to get an engine, but basically this is why I haven't been live. I can't go live, and I'm the worst video maker in the world. So I'm going to crack on and try and get my boat ready for an engine, and hopefully I'll be able to have a sub chat soon if I can get the streaming sorted out. Thanks a lot, guys. Be safe. Catch you later.